Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to set a GIF as your wallpaper in Opera GX. It's super easy and looks really cool. So let's get started. First, open up Opera GX. Now right-click anywhere on the empty homepage or Start Page. In the menu that pops up, click on the option that says Set Wallpaper. This will open the Wallpaper Settings panel. Now look at the top of the panel. You'll see a button that says Add Wallpaper. Click on it. A file window will open. From here, you can select any image or GIF file on your computer. Just browse to the folder where your GIF is saved. Click on it, and then hit Open.OperaGX will now set that GIF as your background wallpaper. Give it a moment to load, and you'll see your browser come to life with that animation playing in the background. You can also go back to the wallpaper settings at any time to remove or change it. And that's how you add a GIF wallpaper in Opera. GX, hope you found this useful. Like and subscribe for more simple tutorials like this.